Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Sir, as an elderly person, what do you think about the children or the Rastafarians that the Achimota school doesn't want to accept in their school because of their hair? Or the hairstyle?
I don't know the idea in which they came into that solution, which may disturb them. They may think that it may also attract some of the children also to get into that way of life. And I think it is in a disciplinary way of maybe they monitoring their students not to accept those people in the school.
What about those who are saying that the hairstyle does not learn? And you could see that these children, though they have those rastas on their hair, or their hairstyles are made of rasta, or they are Rastafarians as their culture and religion, they are still brilliant. So what do you think about it? Can they sack or repel brilliant children because of their religion? Because nowadays Rastafarians are saying that it's a religion, and can they sack somebody because of his religion not to attend a certain school?
That shouldn't be so. That shouldn't be so. In that that is their culture and their way of life. And so into the institution, other schools are admitting them. Why they can't admit them? The only thing is that if they accept them, they have to at least call them and sit them down, and at least let them know the discipline in their school, where they will not fall into any area of their disciplinary actions. That's all.
As you said already, some schools are accepting them. Why won't Achimota school also go the same way?
They should accept them. In that it has never happened anywhere in the world that the Rastafarians are not intellectual or they cause harm to students in some schools, because we have not heard anything like that before, and therefore they shouldn't drive them away from their school.
According to you, what could have pushed the management or the administration of the Achimota school to have drive the Rastafarians away?
Their culture, their Rastafarians' culture, maybe it's a way even the head may not like, and may also have discussed with the board about it, looking at their culture, looking at how they behave, looking at how they react with other people. That is why they are maybe pushing them away from their school.
Okay, according to you, how could be the behavior or the culture of a Rastafarian?
The way their hair is and the way they also dress, it's also part of it. So it may also affect other people, or may also draw people to that culture in their school, which they don't want to.
Thanks so much.